sir. I will be in time, sir. Just 10 minutes I will take to just tell what we are doing exactly in front of GIS in Delhi government. Before they start, just I will tell about Delhi State Special Data Infrastructure we have created. It is called DSSDI, which has got about 15, this is, okay, so my time starts now, sir. Okay, so this is about Delhi State Special Data Infrastructure, sir. It has got about 15 square kilometer which we have mapped with the help of Survey of India. They have created the infrastructure for us. This has got three main pillars, sir. One has got DSSDI. Second, to maintain all this data and to have the sustainability and the continuity, we have got created one company called Geo Spatial Delhi Limited. And third, to have the legal arm of that, we have created one act called Delhi Geospatial Act 2011. This act enables the users, the land departments, to mandatorily use the DSSDI data and update also. At the end of the day, they have to update all their special changes, attributable changes into the database. That is the, this is how Act will work on that. We have got about 30 land departments so far, all big departments, Delhi Jal Board, Urban Planning, DDA, all departments are part of this DSSDI project. And it took about 3 years to collect all attribute data to make this entire data happen. This is very, the creation of this data was done in the May. Now it has been handed over to GSDL, Geospatial Data Infrastructure, and this company will further run entire applications. They will develop new applications, and they will have the mandate, legal mandate, to be the custodian of all GIS data in the government of Delhi. They will charge, this is a company basically, so they will charge for the services to have the sustainability. And the purpose is basically to, whatever data is connected, whatever data is collected, will remain there, and its updation will be sustainable. It will not happen like this, ki aaj humne collect kiya and after 2 years, again we are doing entire survey. So this data will be there, and we will use this data for our applications. To just give a glimpse that what kind of data we are having, this is the list of the layers. We have got around more than 300 layers of data. This data consists of transportation, utility layers, cadastral, hydrography, images, DM, many things it has got. The interesting thing is that we have got attributes which is underground. All the underground utilities are in our database. This is this has been scanned using TerraVision machines, and around 15 feet down the line, we have got data of sewers, lines, gas pipelines, all data we have got in our database. So this is very important database what we have got. Now the challenge is to maintain it. The challenge is to ensure that its continuity, its applications are developed, and this data will only be used in future when there are many applications are developed. Many like various planning departments like UTPAC, DUSIV is one agency in Delhi government which talks about, which is managing the rehabilitation of the slums, and drainage, sewage planning. Now they are using this data as their need, but still there is a need to develop various applications, small applications, which will ensure that this data is used in future, not only their planning but also for their day-to-day usage. We are also proposing to have a public portal where lots of information we will be providing to common public. There are about 60 layers are there, which will be used in our Geo portal, and we will also use crowdsourcing in coming days, so that people who are using our data are able to update the information, because continuity of the information is very important. Even Delhi Police is now using DSS GI data infrastructure in their own surveillance and camera surveillance. They are the list of departments which are basically using their data. Now, this is the future I am talking about. As I told you, that these are the applications which will make this data happen, and its sustainability will come only through the applications. And this application just GIS assisted detailed river bank mapping we are doing. Geospatial enabled disaster response center we are also making, and lots of these applications from various departments like Delhi Jal Board, election, we are doing it. Even MCD is also coming with all our property taxes and other data, they also be feeding in that. Now this enter list I am telling you. This is just, I took some photograph which depicts its 3D white model and other thing, which tells how the inner lines and underground utilities are kept and they are used when the data is populated in the map. One more. Now this is summary basically. We have created one data, which is the basically database pertaining to various departments. Now the synergy of this data will come when entire all the departments will start using in same time. So we have developed one application. This is not part of this presentation, but I would like to tell this, that one application we had developed about 6 or 7 years back about road digging application, where people, our land departments like Jal Board, MCD, other people used to give the data when they are going to dig the road. Now in its next version, when GIS has come, we are having PDM software. This is called Plan, Dig and Monitor software, where the agency, there is an enter process is there. Briefly I will explain. The process is that agency who is want to dig that road, they will come, and we will give all the list of the utilities to that department, that what are the utilities you are going to have, and they will ensure that these all the utilities which are there remain there intact. They will do their work and they will come back. That will be centralized. One more advantage will be that at the same time Jal Board is digging and MCD or telephone department also want to dig, they can join together and they can one way they can dig the road. So this is one of the applications what we are going to develop in going to develop using GIS. But there are many applications which will come in line, and this data which I got about 350 GB data we are having, which is kept for the various applications. Second thing what we are doing here about the open source. Now this entire data we are having, now we are trying to build the applications on top of the open source applications on GIS, and we are encouraging departments that they should come and develop the application as and when their service is required. That's all. If any question you want to ask, you are most welcome.